Hi everybody, it's Crypt here. It's been a long time, obviously, since I've uploaded to YouTube. I'm back today because a company called COLEYES reached out to me to send me some contacts to review for you all, and these are cosplay contacts. There aren't really any regular everyday wear contacts. I mean, you could wear these every day. Nobody's stopping you. I'm not stopping you. Do you, baby? But I'm gonna be reviewing these. They are cosplay contacts from Demon Slayer. So let's get right into it. If you open the box, it says they are designed for dark brown eyes, and that's really cool because, I mean, even I with darker green eyes struggle a lot with finding contacts that completely cover, so definitely check those out if you also struggle with that. Right in the box, we have 5 pairs of contacts. We have 1 lens case. I'm gonna get right into them. I'm not gonna be talking. I'm just gonna show them versus my eye, see how they look, see the coverage. First up, I will be doing these Blind Mason green mesh contacts. I needed a new pair of these. Next up, I will be doing the Muzan Kibutsuji red. Okay, so there was actually a lens case hidden in here. That's very clever. I'm excited about that because I need them. So kudos to you, Coley. Next are the Demon Mitsuri green. Next, I have Werewolf Orange. I'm actually using these to cosplay Haganezuka from Demon Slayer as well, because I cosplayed him before the big reveal, and I didn't know what his eye color was, so I did gray. But now I do, and I'm gonna bring him back. Last but not least, the ones I'm most excited for and why I ultimately agreed to work with this company. They have Demon Doma yellow lenses. Well, they look just like his eyes, but I cosplayed him kind of almost last year, I'd say. And I got a pair of contacts. I could not see at all. It was a disaster. I had to keep pulling them to the side to be able to see anything. I just ended up hating the cosplay because I couldn't do my makeup right. I kept messing it up. Everything, it was just not good. Okay, these actually have a little hole in the middle of them so you can see, and that's all I need because the black of my eyes with this will look like it's fine. It's totally normal, so let's try them out. And yes, I can absolutely see, and I'm so excited. I'm going to be cosplaying him next actually again, and I can't wait because I can see. I'll be able to record and do things that I need to do. I'm actually gonna put the other ones in because I'm so excited to try them out, and I'll be using these soon. I will say vision is definitely like narrow, but I can see the camera, I can see my light, I can see everything. Just a little blurry, but I'm so happy with these. Thank you so much, Coley. I will have my promo code here so that you can go and check out these amazing contacts. All of the contacts will also be listed below. Be sure to follow me on all my socials to stay more up to date, as I am kind of like iffy about YouTube and posting. My schedule is non-existent on here. So yeah, be sure to follow me down. Until next time, whenever that may be, thank you all for watching. I hope this helped, and have a good day. Bye.